Hello, here's a video well worth watching. It's an equation of a tangent line, as we've been looking at, but it also includes trig. So if you haven't been practicing your trig, this will be a good one to look at. You may want to pause this video right now and try it, and then look at the answer. So if you pause, welcome back. If you didn't, well, here we go. So the equation of the tangent line would be this: y minus f of c equals f prime of c times x minus c. It's just the equation of a line. The value of x is pi. So as always with tangent line problems, we only have two calculations to make. This one and this one. So let's start with f of pi, because that's going to be the easier of the two. F of pi is, you just plug in pi to your function. 3 sine of pi plus cosine of pi minus 4 pi. Here's pi, negative 1 comma 0, cosine, sine. So the sine of pi is 0, so we have 3 times 0. Cosine of pi is negative 1 minus 4 pi. So this is just negative 1 minus 4 pi. That's what's going to go right here. Now we have to figure out what f prime of pi is. Before we figure out what f prime of pi is, obviously we have to figure out what f prime of x is, the derivative. So, taking the derivative of this, 3 is your constant multiple. The derivative of sine of x is cosine of x. The derivative of cosine of x is negative sine of x. And the derivative of negative 4x is negative 4. Now we need to figure out what f prime of pi is. Plug it in. 3 cosine of pi minus sine of pi minus 4. As we saw up here, cosine of pi is negative 1. Sine of pi is 0. So the derivative of this function at pi is negative 7. Those are the two things we need to plug in right here and right here. So we have y minus the quantity, negative 1 minus 4 pi, equals f prime of pi is negative 7 times x minus pi. That's the equation of a tangent line. We could do some simplification here. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to simplify this because it looks like it will simplify. Distribute this negative sign. Y plus 1 plus 4 pi equals a negative 7x plus 7 pi. So the negative 7x has to stay. There's nothing that can be combined with it. We have this 4 pi over here. This would be 7 pi minus 4 pi, which is 3 pi. And we might as well move the 1 over 2, minus 1. It's a strange looking answer. It's a strange looking tangent line, but if you think about it, it's still y equals mx plus b. So this is mx plus b. 3 pi minus 1 would be 3 times 3.14 minus 1, or 9 minus 1, 8. It's a little bit over 8 because pi is a little bit over 3. So if this were 8, say, we're up here. -7 is the slope, down 7 over 1. So the tangent line would look like this. Now, what I would do here is you might want to graph this on your graphing calculator and take a look. I also went to Wolfram Alpha just to show you, if I haven't done before, to show you that Wolfram Alpha can also do this. I can't find it anymore though, so you're gonna have to bear with me. Well, you have to trust me, I did do it on Wolfram Alpha. What I'm going to do is, because that's weird, what I'm going to do is pause it right here, and then I'm going to show you the results in the next video.